How are you? My name is Michelle Connor. I'm your VCS for Living Environment. Today we're going to be looking at the University of Berkeley Evolution 101 click-through and interactive. So remember, just to recap, the beginning slides, remember, are just for teacher use, so those are deleted before you give this to your student if you choose not to modify it and put it into a doc. If you keep it as a slide, we just want to make sure we get rid of these before we give it to our students. The overall question that we're looking to answer by the end of the lesson is on the first slide with the purple heading, and the lesson objective is on the second one. The yellow headings are our instructional models. We have independent work with our green headings, a check for understanding in orange, and our wrap-ups in blue. Anywhere our kids see these blue boxes with the pencil, that's where they are going to be typing. So if we look at the instructional model, we are using the University of Berkeley Evolution 101 website as a way of giving our students information. So if you notice, there are some directions built in. It's really important that you kind of have the kids go at the pace of the slides. I know with my students, if you have them look at a click-through, they just start clicking and clicking and clicking. So it's important that you kind of go through this so they know that the information is split up the way it's supposed to be split up. So you'll notice if you click on the first one, it'll bring you to the website. It goes through some definitions. You'll notice on the side some definitions. Some of these are interactive as you click on them. If you click on next, so you'll see click here to narrow the focus. You're able to download the still image as well if you needed it for something. And the students can read through this and grab some information from it. And as they're going through this, they're going to continue to answer the questions again in our blue boxes with these pencils. Now, as you go through these, you'll notice, so part C, so this question deals specifically with this page. So it's important, again, that you remind your students to kind of go at the pace that the slides go. And you'll notice, again, if you as a teacher want the graphic, you could download the graphic. There's information that they can continue to read through. But again, if you notice this one here is the next slide that we were showing you. So it was broken up so they know where to get the information from. And you'll also notice that kind of the next, each one has the page that they would need above it. So they have a nice mix of questions, and there's some definitions in here, as well as different examples in order for them to kind of learn the content a different way. If we click on this site, it'll again bring them for exactly where they need to be. So some of these pages have more information than others. The nice thing is you can pick and choose if you want to use only one or two of the slides, if you want to increase the questions or take any out. This is all completely able to be done. And then the students have some independent work. It's good to use these instructional models and different resources in order to kind of mix things up for the students. There is obviously a video to start this section. So there's a nice kind of like mix of information. There's a video, there's a text that the students are kind of doing at a self-pace, and then some independent work.